Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at a humble house. We're out in the front entryway. So, we're calling it humble house. We don't have the luxury here of having these very massive foyers and such. So we have literally about 5 feet here. But one of the things that I tried to do was open it vertically. So we have the 2-story space, but we'll also have a nice balustrade here where the space expands to the other side of the stairs. And then upstairs, when we'll head up there, we'll have a nice balustrade there, and then it pushes back to that wall. So it's actually quite nice, climbing the stairs in this space, going up. And little landing here with a final step up. And we have the nice windows on the second floor. You can see all of our Siga My Vest on the ceiling. Working with True Design Build really did a good job. Their interior designer. We have these plastered all around the house. So we're gonna have a beautiful set of bookcases and some storage here to make that look very, very nice. Our 2-stage bathroom here where we have the sink and vanity in this one space here with a mirror, single sink, and then of course here where we have our shower and toilet room. So, not a whole lot of magic, just some really nice spaces, got some nice light. Again, our European tilt, turn, tilt function, triple glazed. So, yeah. And then of course, coming in here, we have our 2 bedrooms here. So have our windows, nice big oversized closet. These are just 2 additional bedrooms. So they don't have any kids. So it's kind of completes the 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Again, we did our Siga Myrex up there, and then we'll have our good friends at Advanced Green Insulation blowing cellulose on the top. We'll blow about 24 inches and then let it settle down to 22. So 22 inches, roughly 4 an inch. We're gonna be in the 84 to 88 range, depending on how you measure it. So yeah, not a whole lot of magic, but tastefully done, I think. 2 nice bedrooms, roughly the same size. Get a nice, every morning you come out here, get this nice big open space here. It'll be nice to watch this one come together with all the bookcases and the balustrade and the selections there for stair parts. So you can head on downstairs here, talk a little bit more about what's going on. So if you remember, we have 2 entryways. We'll go in this one here. So homeowner's office, owner's suite there, nice big oversized closet there, but basically the main room. So you can see they've done some of the kitchen cabinetry here coming in place. But the one thing that's, one of the highlights of this house is this 18-foot window. So we actually looked it up. It's a little over 1,000 pounds for that window. Those of you not familiar with lift and slides, when I rotate the handle, the door basically goes up on a set of wheels. And so this, let's just say, I don't know, probably a 400-pound unit here. You can just move it with your fingers, all right? And then once it goes in, you can lower it down and it seals up that gasket, gets a nice airtight seal. We have our little wrapped window arrangement there. This is our dining area, living area, looking back at the kitchen here. And again, we have pantry, nice big kitchen island. They did a really good job here, laying out all the cabinetry, laying out all the lighting for the different areas. you know, over the island and such. Very exciting space. And down here, we'll take a look into the owner's suite. So walking down, that's the door to the owner's suite. So everything here is associated with that. This is kind of the back door to the office. This is their walk-in closet that wraps around 3 sides. We come into the bedroom proper. Has a nice, slightly vaulted ceiling here. Works quite well. And then of course our pocket door to the bathroom. We're gonna have a garden tub over here, and you can see our fillers are gonna come off of the wall. We have a nice big, you know, arched accent wall on the back side here. Coming down here, double vanities. And then of course our shower. One of the interesting things about the shower, look at how they frame this. This is pretty interesting. We knew we were gonna do a floor or curbless shower, so they actually framed the Advantech down flush with the top cords of the eye joist there. So we'll build up our floor inside the system here rather than having dropped that. And then of course the toilet room, it has a pocket door on the inside, an associated linen closet there. You know, one of the nice things about this using the Myrex is the air barrier. You know, the plumber and electrician, they need access to the attic. So we can certainly just cut a little flap, let it fall down. We'll take that flap back up and we can simply just tape it all off and get our continuity back once all of the plumbing and electrical has been completed on the inside there. And then walking across the kitchen here, can't help but look out that window. We go into the other front hall where we have our powder room on one side. Notice our detail here. I'm looking forward to seeing this get finished. This is our doggy gate. It's a pocket doggy gate. So it'll pull out here, and each one of these tubes is responsible for, you know, holding a bar. And then coming in here, we have our mudroom, window to the outside, our laundry room, nice big pocket door, double loaded, washer and dryer on one side, cabinetry with a nice laundry sink there. And of course, our door out to the 2-car garage. So why don't we head back out here? We'll close out this video in front of that lift and slide door just because I love it so, and I know you do too. For those of you asking, lift and slide door and all of the tilt turn windows, they're Schuco. They're in an anthracite gray, which is, I call it 80% black. They're sourced through a company, European Architectural Supply. They're actually fabricated in Slovakia, put on a container ship, and container ship is comes on over here, and then the container gets delivered, unloaded, and voila, we have windows and they get installed here. So these are triple glazed, center of glass 0.10 R10 for the glazing unit. The overall unit for that lift and slide door, it's probably like 0.13, 14, or something like that with all the glass that it has there. So anyways, if you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not, smash that subscribe button, tell all your friends. You know it, this is the place, come hang out, have a discussion with Steve. Let's talk about some of the cool projects that we have in progress. I'm sorry we didn't get to go down in the basement. We'll have to return here on a day where they have the power running. The generator isn't outside, so if we walk down there, you would see blackness. So we're not going into the basement today. But yeah, Steve Basic Architect out here at our humble house. Until next time, long live our buildings.